Purple Dream Lily, info and care. Are you looking for a new flower for your garden? Have you been considering lilies for the job? Are you unsure about which lily to go with? Well, we'll tell you to consider a purple dream lily for your garden. They won't just bring a warmer color palette to the garden, but they're also easy to care for. There are many different types of lilies available in the market. These include oriental lilies, stargazer lilies, trumpet lilies, and Orient pet lilies, to name a few. Asiatic lilies are another type of lilies that come in many different colors, including red, yellow, orange, purple, pink, white, and dramatic bicolors. The Purple Asiatic lily is commonly called the Purple Dream Lily. The name Purple Dream speaks volumes about the appearance of the flower itself. The flower is dreamy, elegant, and beautiful, and has the ability to bring life to any garden. But there are certain requirements that you must fulfill to get a gorgeous purple bloom. Origin: Asiatic lilies, like the Purple Dream, have a rich history. In ancient Egyptian pyramids, archaeologists have found paintings of Asiatic lilies. That's not all. There are even ancient Chinese paintings of Asiatic lilies which were found in the power circle of Louis XIV. Appearance: Asiatic lilies have larger bulbs compared to many other flowers. The size of the bulb of a purple dream lily is around 6 inches, and they can grow up to the height of 36-48 inches or even more. They have a beautiful purple color, which has a darker shade on the inside of the flower compared to the outside. This makes the purple dream flower have a purple ombre. Stunning, right? How to plant. Plant purple dream lily bulbs in the early spring or fall. This is before the frost dates. The soil they prefer is fertile and well drained, which allows the lily's roots to maintain a healthy root system. If you want the soil to be ideal for your plant, add organic matter like peat moss. Also, all Asiatic lilies prefer slightly acidic soil with around 6.5 pH. When planting purple dream lilies in a garden, remember to keep a distance of about 6 to 10 inches between them. This will help the plant's roots to have enough area to grow and flourish. Make sure that the plant is planted at a suitable depth. A 4 to 6 inches depth will be ideal. The perfect location for a purple dream lily should receive early morning or late afternoon sun. 6 hours of sunlight per day is the minimum requirement for the purple dream lily. When you receive fresh bulbs from a nursery, plant them immediately before they dry out. If you want a showier look, place 3 or more bulbs together. These will multiply and form groupings. How to water. Asiatic lilies hate overwatering. Flooded soil is the bane of their existence. Overwatering can lead to soggy soil, which attracts pathogens such as fungi. These fungi take up the root cells and cause fungal diseases such as root rot. Asiatic lilies must be planted in well-drained soil. If the weather is too hot and sunny, you can increase the watering and ensure that the root area is well moistened. But a good gardener must learn the difference between soggy and moist soil. Soggy soil is in no way ideal. When the top 1 inch of the soil becomes dry, this indicates that the plant needs watering. How to fertilize. Purple dream lilies don't have a long list of nutritional requirements. A light application of a May 10th-10 fertilizer mixed with the topsoil is enough nourishment for the plant. However, the timing of fertilizer is the key to the purple dream lily's gorgeous blooms. Purple dream lilies don't need frequent fertilization, so only apply the fertilizer when the lilies begin to grow in the spring. Propagating. Plant propagation is the process of creating new plants. You can create these new purple dream lilies from stem bulblets, bulb scales, stem bulbils, and bulb division. However, we'll recommend you propagate the plant from dividing plump bulbs, as they're the faster way to go. Deadheading. Deadheading is a way of pruning by which seed heads and unwanted growth are eliminated from the plant to increase blooming and promote new growth. Purple dream lilies might need deadheading as well when their petals drop. Cut off the dying flowers so that the plant doesn't waste energy on it and instead focuses on fresh flowers. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below if you have grown the purple dream lily. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Life is better when you garden.